Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how can you renew your Canadian dental care plan. These benefits for all age groups. If you have a low income, I will show you step by step how can you renew your Canadian dental care plan. First we need to open our web browser and write down here Canadian dental benefit renewal. Canadian dental care plan, renew your coverage. Click on this link. I already provide that link in my description box. If you want, you can open directly through that link. Renew your coverage and scroll down, and here you can see renew your coverage. Click on that link. Term and conditions, and now we need to click on agree and continue. Personal information. Here we need to enter first name, last name, date of birth, client number. You can find your client number in the upper right corner of your renewal letter from Service Canada or your Canadian Dental Care Plan member card. If you have a Canadian Dental Care Plan, definitely you will receive renewal letter. You can check your client number from member card, and here you need to enter client number like this, and after that you need to click on continue. After the continue, you will need to check your home address, and if your address is same, then you need to click on continue, and marital status if the same, then you need to again continue. After that you need to click on continue. In this way you can take Canadian Dental Care Plan and continue your coverage. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you want more information, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.